Welcome to Creepshow 2. Stephen King and George Romero have conjured up an all-new Creepshow. Just for you. And it's a scream. Creepshow 2, rated R. I've saved you a seat.
Starts tomorrow. Check local newspaper for show times. Friday at 8, something's up with Dr. Frankenstein.
That's Frankenstien.
It's mind-boggling. It's terrifying. It's alive! But they love him.
I'm going to set him free!
He's not really smart. He's not really cute. But he has a real big heart. From the mind of Mel Brooks, Young Frankenstein, Friday at 8 on Channel 2. You've heard about it. Now, see it. Bob Shaw hosts the Texas Chainsaw Massacre tomorrow at midnight on Channel 2.